Welcome to my channel. How to reset Google Nest Wi-Fi and reconnect internet. 1. Check your modem first. Make sure your modem is powered on and connected properly. If your ISP internet service is down, resetting the router will not fix the issue. 2. Keep the router plugged in. Your Nest Wi-Fi must be powered on during the reset process. Do not unplug it. 3. Locate the reset button. Turn the Nest Wi-Fi router upside down. You will find a small reset button at the bottom. 4. Press and hold the reset button. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. The light will turn orange, yellow first. Keep holding until you hear a sound and the light starts blinking. 5. Wait for factory reset to finish. After releasing the button, wait 5 to 10 minutes. The router will erase all old settings including Wi-Fi name and password. 6. Wait for solid white light. When the reset is complete, the light will turn solid white. This means the router is ready for setup. 7. Open the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app on your Android or iPhone. Turn on Bluetooth and location for smooth setup. 8. Start new device setup. Tap plus, add, setup device new device. Select your home and let the app detect your Nest Wi-Fi router. 9. Connect router to modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the WAN port of the Nest Wi-Fi router. Make sure the cable is tightly connected. 10. Create new Wi-Fi name and password. Follow the app instructions to set a new Wi-Fi name and password. Wait until the light turns solid white again. This confirms your internet is connected. Thanks for watching.